What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. And in this video I want to cover two beginner friendly work from home jobs that pay up to $22.12 or just about $22 per hour and can earn you over $3,800 per month. And again, these are beginner friendly work from home jobs, meaning that you don't need any experience really. Actually, for these two positions, they actually provide you with full training. So even if you've never had a remote work from home job before, if you've never had a job before, then this is still good because they are providing you with training. They just want you to come with the basics like a high school diploma, GED or equivalent, and basically that's it. You can get one of these jobs, and again, you can make up to $22 per hour. I think this is a really good deal for a remote work from home job that allows you all this freedom, gives you a bunch of benefits, and also is beginner friendly because we usually don't come across these jobs often. So if you are interested, be sure to stick around to the end of the video so you can hear all about these companies and these jobs. Now, before I get into those two jobs, I want to mention another job right here. Now, this one is not so much beginner friendly per se, but it is a notable mention. So I just wanted to give a mention to this position before I moved on to those. So the only thing with this one, this is a tier 1 technical support specialist at Uscreen. And the only thing with this job is that they're looking for someone who preferably has 2+ years of technical support experience. So if you have that experience or some sort of experience that you could use here, then you could apply for this position right here. And I think this was a really great opportunity because not only do you get paid here, but you get PTO, and they say they have a flexible PTO policy, so you get to take the time that you need. They offer flexible parental leave. They give you a work from home stipend to help you get set up. So this could be, extra cash to help you purchase a laptop or monitors or keyboards or just whatever you need to set up your remote work from home office. And also, if work from home is not for you, they're happy to pay for your co-working space. So if you want to do a remote job but you don't have a quiet office space or somewhere at home that you could use, you could actually go out to a co-working space and they'll actually pay for that. So I thought that was also a really good deal. And also here, they say they host virtual social events and company retreats filled with fun activities to ensure that you feel part of the Uscreen family. So if you have any technical support, tech support experience, then you should definitely check out this job. And I went over to Glassdoor as well just to look at this company. So they are listed on Glassdoor, and for tech support, there's only one salary submitted, but the average here based on this one salary is around $46,000 per year. So that's what you could expect to be making there. Now let's get into the other jobs, which are going to be these beginner friendly jobs. And actually, just before we get into that, just a quick reminder, guys, if you are new to the channel, my name is Ian. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save, ways to invest. I talk about bank accounts, credit cards, everything personal finance related, jobs. So if you like videos like this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free. Never cost you a thing to hit the like button. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That's very important. That way you won't miss the updates of when I post similar videos like this. So you'll be the first to hear about these new work from home opportunities. And also, if you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below. But with that said, let's jump right into these other jobs. So the company that has these jobs is going to be Sarnova, and this is Sarnova, right? So they have some standard benefits here, which include a flexible PTO policy. Of course, you get to work from home. They give you health and wellness benefits. You get a 401k match. You get tuition reimbursement, which is great. You get adoption assistance, pet insurance, and a lot more. They were also voted one of the greatest places to work, so they have that going for them. And they have a bunch of remote positions here. You could go through all these positions. You could filter by your state, or if you want a job that you can go to physically, you can find that here, or just US remote or remote in general. But you can come here, you can find a bunch of jobs that they have listed right now, but not all these jobs are actually beginner friendly. So two that caught my eye that were beginner friendly was one, the patient research. This is a part-time job though. It's fully remote, and here it says no experience required, we will train. So basically they're gonna have some skills and experience required, but they are going to train you to do this job, so you don't really have to worry too much. So the only thing that you need to bring is the ability to multitask. You need to have strong follow-through skills. You have to be computer literate, be able to work with two monitors, be on time, be a quick learner, accountable for your work, be comfortable asking questions when you don't know something, and previous experience dealing with the public is helpful. But as you can see, the skills or experience required here are kind of like general stuff, not really anything that would require you to have any formal education, any type of degrees or certs. So they are going to train you. So this is a great opportunity. And again, they are giving you benefits here. So again, you're getting your 401k plan, a matching 401k. You're also getting a competitive salary. So you guys should definitely apply if you're looking for a remote work from home job. The only downside is that this one is part-time and they only have one opening for this position. So if you are interested, be sure to go ahead and apply as soon as possible so you can be on the list of applicants, right? Now, although this is a part-time position, it says this is a permanent part-time position. So if you were looking for something, to add, maybe you already have a 9-to-5 job or a full-time job and you just wanted some supplementary income, then this could be good. They want you to work Monday to Friday and it's 5 hours per day. So again, this is part-time. Now, the next one they had here that caught my eye was the customer service, and it says heavy phones here. So if you don't want to be on the phones, then this probably won't be an ideal position for you. But if you don't mind, this one is also beginner friendly. So here it says some insurance billing knowledge is preferred, but it's not required, and full training will be provided. Now, this is a remote work from home position. You're gonna be working Monday through Friday, and this is what you're gonna be doing. You're gonna be answering heavy call volume in a remote call center environment. You're gonna determine resolutions to customer issues while adhering to or client rules and expectations. Follow through with all requests. You're gonna answer patient questions and address concerns in a friendly and empathetic manner. So that's what you need here. Again, nothing that would require you to have a college degree or anything like that, and training is provided. As for skills required, they want you to be able to type at least 40 words per minute. You can do a free test online to see what your current rate is, and you can practice this, kind of get up to speed. Also, they want you to have basic computer skills, right? Know how to use Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. If you have experience with using like Google Docs, it's really similar. Also, be a quick learner and willing to ask questions, able to handle large volumes of work while meeting tight deadlines, able to multitask and organize and prioritize tasks in order to complete all work assigned, and you must be punctual and dependable, right? Also, again, you get your 401k plan and a bunch of benefits here. So I thought this was a really great opportunity as well. For this one, there are only 2 openings available right now. So if you are interested, go ahead, open up a new tab, click the link down below while you're watching this video, and go ahead and apply right now. Now, if you've never heard about this company before, Sornova, I went over to Glassdoor to find them. So they are listed on Glassdoor. They have a 3.7 out of 5-star rating, which is fairly good, and also they have some really good reviews here. So for example, first review here says the culture here is fantastic. It really starts top down and they do a great job making sure the right people are in the right position. Cons: cross-functional teamwork could be better. Everyone is so focused on their divisions that it's hard to collaborate with others. But this person did actually give a 5-star review, so people are happy working here. Now, if we go over to salaries, because they don't list the salaries for any of these jobs, and for the patient research position, I wasn't able to find a salary for this particular position at this company on Glassdoor, but I was able to find a customer service salary here. So the customer service salary is, and it's customer service representative, but it's kind of like the same thing. Based on 6 salaries submitted, the average is around $37,000 and the range is $32,000 to $42,000. So you could be making $22 per hour or more working here. So again, if you're looking for a remote work from home job, you don't have any experience, these are 2 great opportunities because they do provide you with training. You really don't need any experience for these jobs. They are beginner friendly. Now, if you've ever worked at Sarnova before or even worked at Uscreen, comment down below. Let me know what the experience was like for you. Did you enjoy working there? Do you still work there? Would you recommend it to other people? And as always, guys, thanks for watching. All the best in your search for your dream remote work from home job to make a ton of money working from home. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next one.